Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to do an overhead T-fillet and we're going to use 7018 rods. We've done a video before with the 6013s and now we're going to use 7018s. So we're running them on exactly the same amperage, which is 110 amps. DC positive. So the thing with these rods is they can only really run on positive electrode. Because the flux is so thick, we need as much heat at the rod to be able to fuse and melt everything together, so they do not run on negative. If you do switch them round, you can tell the difference because they will crackle slightly and it won't run as smooth. So first run in, descaled. Nice 45, no sag. I'm going to do a 3-run fillet. So second pass, same kind of angle, still pointing with a drag angle of about 10-15 degrees, as we're trying to keep that slag and flux at the back of the pool. It's a little less detrimental with 7018s. The flux is a little bit more fluid, so you can actually, if it does come around the front too badly, you can tend to push it out of the way, as with the 6018 it's very hard to do. So we chip off. So we've covered 3/4 of that first run. Then third pass, we now drop the angle so we're pointing more vertically, still with a drag angle. Aim of the game is obviously get that into that corner and onto that top plate. So we're fusing out the previous run and achieving the 45-degree angle so that we're the same distance across the top, so we'd end up with an equal angled fillet. We have to be careful that we don't overheat the top, as we could possibly put undercut into the top plate. So the correct amp setting for the rod is crucial on this last run. So run complete, deslag. Check out our other video that we've done with a T-fillet using 6013 rods with changing polarities that you can see on the screen now. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one.